Welcome back to this build of the Rebel Blockade Runner. In the previous video I built this, and it has been a while. It's been about a month since I've been able to work on this. The past month has been a lot more busy for me than I realized, and so I have not had a lot of time for projects, but I'm finally getting back to this, and I'm very excited for it. There isn't a lot of actual painting that needs to go on to this. There's a few details that I'll get into on these little wings here, some around the tail end where the engines are, and a little bit up in the front. But overall, there's not really a lot of painting that needs to be done. The majority of what's going to happen is the wash and pulling out the details of just the actual ship itself rather than the colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right into this and bring you along for the ride. Alright, well that completes all of the red, or all of this crimson that I'm putting on there. Next I'm going to work on the engines, which I'm going to kind of do with a deep yellow and some white, I guess, to give it a little bit of a glow. So I'm going to do that next, and then I'll work on weathering after that. And that is the completed Rebel Blockade Runner from Star Wars. I did a lot of washing on this. I like the way the engines turned out, and the crimson came out on each of these little parts, these details. It's a really cool model, and so now I'm going to get the standout for it. there we are. We completed Blockade Runner 100%. I really enjoyed painting this. It took me a while to get around to it, but I really enjoyed building and painting this. If you enjoyed this, feel free to leave a like, a comment. If you have any suggestions for me, you can leave those as well. But that's going to be it for this video, and hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.